Alt text helps your SEO and accessibility, but writing it by hand, one image at a time, never happens. Imports leave duplicate photos behind. The wrong shot ends up first in the gallery. None of it is hard on one product. It's impossible to keep up across hundreds. There's a different way. BulkEditly's image manager works across your whole catalog. Set alt text from a template, like title, by vendor. So every image gets descriptive, SEO-friendly text automatically. Remove the duplicates and import left behind, reorder galleries, or bulk add a shared image. Filter to the right products, and image count badges show you the thin listings at a glance. Then preview every change before it applies. Got it wrong? Undo any edit from full history. Nothing about your live store breaks. Try the image manager yourself. BulkEditly is on the Shopify App Store. Link in the description.